Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to always show contact info in WhatsApp web. Follow these simple steps to enhance your messaging experience. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. Type WA Web plus for WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 3. Click on the Google Chrome link. Step 4. Download the extension. Step 5. Open WhatsApp. Step 6. Click on the extension from the toolbar. Step 7. When it opens, go to the Enhancement tab, and in the Customization section, check the box next to Keep Contact Info open. By following these steps, you can ensure that contact information is always visible in your WhatsApp web chats. No more hassle of searching for details every time. With this feature enabled, you can easily access contact details and have a more seamless messaging experience. So why wait? Start enjoying the convenience of always having contact info readily available in WhatsApp web. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp web tips and tricks. Stay connected and happy messaging.